Welcome to Mobile Track Solutions Warehouse, where we have 24,000 square feet of warehouse space under roof, home to all of our customers' parts and service needs. On average, 3,600 part numbers are transacted daily. Approximately 50% of those are inbound and 50% are outbound. How's the order board been, Austin? Pretty full today, or?
Busy this morning, but it's kind of slowed down a little bit.
Keeping up anyway, right? Good deal. While inbound parts are stored in stock locations, the outbound parts are being distributed to our customers to meet their service needs, and our production team to build world-class construction-grade equipment. To ensure we deliver the true MTS experience, our goal is same-day shipping on every order.